everyone sees colour, but we all see it differently. And some of us will look for colour in reality. Some of us will look for colour in what I call non-reality. Someone asked me, what are the tools? And I go, yeah, you can use the tools in Photoshop, knowing what tools, but it's also understanding and making colour choices. So for me, it's about soft muted tones. Now, I also know that some people will look at the colours and go, oh, that doesn't look real. But you know what? It looks real to my imagination. And that's what we're talking about. So blue jacket, blue background, but have a look. They're all within two color palettes, warm and cool. And so to me, it was an emotional story, but I've told it with color. And that's how you can make color choices. The story was, we've locked in, everything's closed, I'm viewing the world from inside. But if I told that story in bright orange or yellow or a warmer tone, it wouldn't have the same emotion. So that's why I've gone for the blue tone. So people underestimate what color can do to your images. And this is what I'm going to talk about now. And I'm going to come over when the sunrise just kicked off like that. It was like the universe had said, I'm here, far away with the cameras. Now, did I make the choice for the green tree? Yes and no. I wanted a tree. And so it just worked in harmony. So when I'm working with an image, I'm actually thinking about color as I go along. It's part of my style, part of what floats my boat, what I'm passionate about with color, being creative, using your imagination. I don't want reality. I want to step outside of the box and create. I want to find that expressive feeling inside. As an adult, we sometimes forget to give ourselves permission to play fun. And by having fun is just creating for me. So actually what I did was photographed a poster that had a deer. And I cut that deer out and put it in the image. Now, some people would go, oh, shock horror, but that's my photograph. But by shooting in monochromatic in camera, it really helped my color eye. And that's what I'm talking about, developing your color eye. But force yourself. If you're a color person, that's great. But force yourself to go, I am only shooting in monochromatic. Who cares if they're not worth anything? I am training my eye. I love the red. Really brings back the memory as a child of going to the circus. What's the complementary color? It's blue. I love the little quirky girl and grumpy balloon. That's just love it. But I've chosen it color. To me, color is everything, but I've been building the skills over years